Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Redline Mods. Tim's tuning back in. Finally, spring is here. I'm gonna definitely do my best, try to get the videos out there now. I'll be uploading shorts as well. If you are new, subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you guys supporting my channel. And check it out, V2 gloss black spoiler right here. That can be found on my website. Really nice and clean. It's a little bit wide too, so it gives it a really nice look. More aggressive look on the top end right there, as you can see. And you can also buy the adhesive promoter on my website, which comes with a double-sided tape, which is the best tape that you can get. It's located, I think, on page 2, or you can just hit the search bar and then type in double-sided tape. When you order one piece, you're gonna get one piece, and I believe it comes with 4 or 5 pieces of adhesive promoter as well. So this is very important. What you want to start off is with, you want to clean the surface with the rubbing alcohol, and also, if you want, you could also clean the surface with rubbing alcohol if you want to go an extra step. But the most important part here is you want to use the adhesive promoter on this side right here, let's say right here, and all the way across and there. Let it dry for a minute, 30 seconds to a minute, and apply adhesive promoter on top as well, where it's going to stick. All right, and then we can apply the tape, and I'll show you guys what it looks like once it's done, the tape on there. So that's the steps you got to follow to have a really strong, I don't know, what do you call it, very strong adhesive, so it doesn't fall off or anything like that. But yeah, I guess the brain fart, can't think of the word, just disappeared out of my brain. All right, as you can see, I peeled off a little bit there, a little bit there. You never want to peel off like the whole tape off of it, the red piece. A little bit there. This is going to help me align it and place the roof spoiler properly. And once it's placed, and then I could peel off the bottom basically and the top. And then as I go, I just press it on there and stuff like that basically. So this piece and that piece, just line it up there properly, and then you could easily pull off the bottom, make it tight, and the top, just take the whole. All right, so as you can see, I lined it up, good to go. I was gonna peel off the bottom and stick it right there. If you press it down for like 30 seconds to a minute, it's good. It kind of holds there. And if you allow this tape to cure for 24 to 48 hours, it'll be at its strongest level. And then the rest, I just peel off halfway by the antenna, so I can push it down. And it's like 65, 70 degrees outside, so we don't need a heat gun. It's nice and warm. So if I touch the surface, it's actually warm. It's perfect. It's nice when you don't need a heat gun for anything. I just want to apply some pressure a few times. And at the bottom here, stick that down. So that should do it. Super stuff. Look at that. Super tight. So we're good to go on this. If you let it cure overnight, it's even better. But yeah, it's already good to go. And that concludes the video. Super easy install. Links in the description of this video if you want to get one. There's two kinds, a V1 and a V2 spoiler. Roof spoiler. There's also trunk spoilers and the body kits and interior accessories and stuff like that. Check it out. If you guys could support by hitting the subscribe button, I would appreciate that. It doesn't cost you anything, so I appreciate that. And peace out till next time.